First, battery, galvanometer, voltmeter, resistance box, rheostat. Positive terminal of the battery is connected to positive terminal of galvanometer. Then again, positive terminal is connected to lower end of the rheostat. Then negative terminal of the battery is connected to one end of the resistance box. Then other end connected to upper end of the rheostat. Then other lower end connected to negative terminal of the battery. Then voltmeter is always connected in tandem. Then notice positive terminal of voltmeter connected to positive terminal of galvanometer. Then negative terminal connected to one of the terminal of resistance box. That terminal also connected to upper end. Upper end connect ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಈ ವೈರ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then how to do the experiment? The first we have to remove the resistance value already calculated. How much? 2000, 2000, 4000, 4500, 700, 950. 4950 resistance removed. Then you have to the mover voltmeter needle, for example, for one ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? One for 1 volt it shows 10 divisions. And similarly for 20 it shows 2, 25 2. Then similarly 35. Okay, it behaves like a voltmeter for the initial calculated value, not necessarily change the value of resistance. That's it.